underhand together time C cap, and we want to make a right turn. The left hand will come over the top as we come around 360, and then when we come back from the underhand portion here, the right hand crosses so that we can go back into the cap. So we come up and over, the left crosses, then the right crosses to come back into the cap. And if I did it at speed, it would be this. We'll drill this, we'll go 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth one, we're gonna turn, come around and down. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and up, over, around, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and now turn up, over, around, and back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. Now bring it down to 3. 1, 2. Now after this third one, turn. And 1, 2, 3, and turn around. And 1, 2, 3, turn. And 1, 2, 3, turn, and down from underhand. 1 and 2, and now here we go, turn all the way around. 1, 2, 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 turn all the way around and down. We'll turn to the left now. You come up, over, and around. So you turn at the same time, you just come over the top to the left, and your right hand crosses first, then your left hand crosses back in. So your right hand comes over the top to the front as you turn, then your left hand comes back to the left side as you come over the top. So 4, 3, 2, 1, now turn left all the way around, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn left around. 4, 3, 2, 1, left turn, and 4, 3, 2, 1, turn it around. 4, 3, 2, 1, left turn. 4, 3, 2, 1, left turn. Now we're going to cut it down to 3. 3, 2, 1, and left turn. 3, 2, 1, 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 left turn. Come around now, come down to 2 times. 1 and 2, now turn. And 1, 2, and turn. 1, 2, and turn. 1, 2, and turn. And then last set, 2, and turn back around and down. We're gonna turn right first, starting in underhand. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now get ready, right turn, come around. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's gonna be a left turn. And back. 4, 3, 2, 1. And right turn, coming around. And get ready. 4, 3, 2. It'll be a left turn. Last one, and turn left, come around. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right turn. And 4, 3, 2, then left turn. Now we're going to cut it down to 3, 2, 1. Right turn. 3, 2, 1, left turn, 3, 2, 1, right turn, 3, 2, 1, and left turn. I think I did an extra one, sorry. 3, 2, 1, right turn, 3, 2, 1, left turn. Now cut it down to 2, 2 and 1 and turn, and then 2, 1 and turn, and 2, 1, go right, and 2 and 1, go left, and 2 and 1, go right, and 2 and 1, go left, and 2 and 1, go right, and 2 and 1, go left. Now we're gonna do singles, here we go. 1 and right turn, come around. 1 and left turn, and 1 and right turn, and 1 and left turn, and 1 and right turn, and 1 and left turn, and 1 and right turn, and 1 and left turn, and down. Let's turn to the left first this time. And here we go, up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here's your left turn, come around, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and here's your right turn, and come around. Now go to 3, and 2, and 1, left turn, 3, 2, 1, right turn, 3, 2, 1, left turn, 3, 2, 1, right turn. Now we're gonna go to doubles. 2, 1, left turn, 2, 1, right turn, 2, 1, left turn, 2, 1. Now we're gonna try singles. 1 and left, and 1 and right, 1 and left, and 1 and right, 1 and left, 1 and right, and 1 and left, 1 and right, and come down.